Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to set up your Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro with sounds by JBL. So we're going to go ahead and first grab your power adapter, and I prefer to actually unwind it just so it's a bit longer. Your power adapter, and on the back, or actually on the bottom of the Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro, this is where you're going to plug in your power adapter. Simply just plug it in underneath, and it actually has a slot for the wire so it doesn't kind of be uneven. Afterwards, take the power adapter and let's go ahead and plug it in. Now, once you plug it in, you're just going to go ahead and power it on. And in order to power it on, you just press the power button once, and there you have it. It's now been turned on. So now I'm going to go ahead and hop onto the Govee Home app so that we could actually go ahead and connect the Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro with the Govee Home app. Now, with your Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro powered on, you want to go ahead and download the Govee Home app. So simply just go into the App Store or the Google Play Store, search for Govee, and it should be the first option. So click on Govee Home, and it looks like this app right over here. Afterwards, go ahead and open it up. Create a login if you haven't already. Now, once you're on the home page of the Govee Home app, you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And you also want to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now, after you download the Govee Home app, go ahead and click on the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner. And we're going to be searching for your table lamp. So the name of it is going to be H6020. And then the after letters and numbers is going to be customized to yours. But here we have our table lamp. Just click on add, and it's going to go ahead and start connecting. Now the device is pairing, so it's going to ask you to please short press the on and off button once. So press it once, and then once you do so, it should recognize that you just pressed the button. Next, you're going to go ahead and give your table lamp a name. So because we're going to be placing this in our bathroom, we're going to be naming this our bathroom table lamp. And we're also going to give it a name JBL, just since it's also a speaker, or I guess table lamp, just because the name is too long. But give it a device name, click on done. Now this is the Wi-Fi that you were connected to before. And again, just make sure that it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So click on done. And if you give it a couple of seconds, it should go ahead and load and say that the Wi-Fi connection has been successful. Now afterwards, you are going to be able to reach this page here, which gives you a bunch of different customization options. Now keep in mind that the main thing about this Govee table lamp is that it is a speaker compared to just the regular table lamp 2. The regular table lamp 2 is just lights, but this one here is lights and sound all in one. So with it, I do recommend updating it when you do have the time, but because I'm recording this video, we're just going to click on later. Now, for different color calibrations, you can set the color, you can set the scene, you can change the music, you can change the color temperature as well. You can change the brightness on the top-hand side. You can set up timers and automations if you click on timer on the left-hand side as well. But the most important thing is that this does act as a speaker, which is one of its main features. So from this page here, if you click on where it says no white noise, you can choose calm music, you can choose natural music, you can choose raining. There's a lot of different music libraries that can come from this speaker. So the last part of this video is I'm going to show you how to connect your speaker to your phone. And so in order to do that, go into the settings option of your phone, click on Bluetooth, and then go ahead and scroll down, and then look for where it says Govee Table Lamp Speaker. Select your table lamp speaker, and there you have it. You should have heard a ring come from your Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro, and afterwards, you can now play music from your Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up your Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro with sounds by JBL. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.